Rainforests put humidity into the atmosphere, which then turn into rain clouds. These rain clouds create moisture, which then comes down to the land and helps prevent droughts and other things. Rainforests also absorb heat, so by cutting them, the open land reflects the heat back into the atmosphere, which over time can create hotter temperatures. Rainforests absorb about 2 billion tons of carbon dioxide each year. This captured carbon dioxide is transformed into biomass through photosynthesis. Then it is stored in many parts of the rainforest, such as the soil and the trees. Rainforests are home to half the world's species, although unfortunately, we are losing 135 species every day, or almost 50,000 a year, because of rainforest destruction. Some larger mammals need a lot of area to roam around in and have a tough time living in the small areas they are being forced into by deforestation. Thank you for watching.